Hi, and welcome to Mystery Tech's second guide to connecting your Outlook Mail client to our hosted platform email system, which is a POP3 or IMAP service, whichever you want to use. Main difference is IMAP will sync folders, and POP3 doesn't. It just does your emails. But right, we'll carry on. And from here, we're using our Windows 8 operating system, and for the client side, we're using Outlook 2010. Okay, so we'll start by clicking on the Outlook 2010 icon down the bottom here. Then the first startup, it'll come up with the startup wizard. Yes, you want to connect to email, that's why we have Outlook. Right, on this screen we want to go down to manually configure server settings. And it's internet email, and you can see it says POP or IMAP service. Okay. So for the name here, I'm just going to put in the email address that I put for a setup, but you can put your full name in, it's fine, it's what's going to be displayed. So there we go. Test it into URL, okay, copy that, and that's what's going to go in there, and down here is the username. Okay, for incoming mail server and outgoing mail server, they're both the same on our platform, so it's mturl.co.uk. And the same again underneath. Okay, we'll pop in the password here. Now on our platform, when you sign up, you'll be emailed the details that you'll need. Or if you set it up yourself, then obviously you've got your own details. Now, before we go into test account settings, there's one more step that we want to make sure is checked. So if we go into more settings down the bottom there, click on outgoing server. My outgoing server uses authentication. Use the same settings as incoming mail server, and then hit OK. Basically what that does is if you don't have that ticked, you'll be able to receive the mail, but when you go to reply to it, it won't be able to send it out because the server is saying, I need authentication in order to send this. It's just another step of security. After you've done all that, we'll go through in the test account settings, and after a few brief moments in Microsoft fashion, it's come back with an error. Maybe I typed it wrong. There we go. So it's asked me again for the outgoing because I typed it in wrong. There we go. So as long as you type in the password correctly, then you won't have any issues like I just did. What you want is the two ticks on the side, completed there. If we close that off, we go next. It will then retest again. And this time, if it prompts me for the password, what I'll do is save in the password list just to make sure that I've got it right. So we'll save that in the password list, making sure we said it right. Just goes an extra layer of security there. And then once it's gone through that, just hit finish. And sure enough, once it's finished doing the initial configuration, you'll open up Outlook and you'll see the two test emails that go through to confirm that Outlook is indeed working and connected to the server. This I tend to go for install updates only, just so that no other information is going through. Hit OK. Yes to that, shows the UAC is working. Okay, and there we go. We've got the test messages going in. Excellent. Thanks very much. Please share any problems or any requests, then just give us a call, and we'll do our best to help you as always. Thanks very much.